Welcome to Clear Explanation. We simplify the complex. Today's topic: what is meteorology? It covers study of the atmosphere and the processes that determine the weather and climate. From sunny skies to thunderstorms, meteorologists analyze the forces that shape our environment. Meteorology impacts our daily lives, helping farmers plan crops, ensuring safe air travel, and even protecting us from natural disasters like hurricanes and tornadoes. Meteorologists use a variety of tools to study the weather, such as thermometers for temperature, barometers for pressure, and satellites for global monitoring. By analyzing data from weather stations, satellites, and supercomputers, meteorologists create models that predict upcoming weather patterns. This helps us prepare for the days ahead. Did you know that the Coriolis Effect causes hurricanes to spin differently in each hemisphere? Or that no two snowflakes are the same? Meteorology is full of wonders. Meteorologists also play a key role in studying climate change. By tracking long-term patterns, they help us understand how human activities are affecting our planet. So next time you check the weather forecast, remember the science behind it. Meteorology, a field that connects us all through the ever-changing skies. Thank you for watching the video. Please support us by liking and sharing this video. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Take care.